Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to track inventory in Shopify. So in order to do this, just you have to go to the products, and after that just simply click on add product. And now when you open this page, just simply add the title of product here. And now just go down, and here you will find the option track quantity. So just simply type the number of inventory or item, and after that you have to enable this option. So just click on save button, and now wait for a few seconds. Our update is being loaded. So this method is very simple. So now you can easily track inventory in Shopify.